Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. After a few busy days on October 13, during which the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime received the honorary citizenship of Palermo and a degree honoris causa in pedagogical sciences from the University of Palermo, the commitments of the 10th successor of Don Bosco continued. On the 3rd of October at the Cathedral of Cacha Payas in the Peruvian region of Amazonas, a new impetus was given to the cause of holiness of Bishop Octavio Ortiz Arrieta, a Salesian who was bishop of that diocese between 1922 and 1958. On 11 October 2022, the Salesian Society of Thailand organized the feast of the canonization of Saint Brother Artemidi Zati together with 350 members of the Salesian family at the Chapel of St. John Bosco, Bangkok. The celebration of the Holy Eucharist was presided over by Bishop Joseph Prathan Srinar Onsil, STB. At the end of the Holy Mass, Father Deparat Patisan, the provincial, having participated in the canonization of the new saint together with 5 representatives of the Salesian brothers, shared about his experiences at the canonization ceremony at the Basilica of St. Peter on the 8th and 9th of October 2022. The provincial expressed the gratitude to the bishop and the members of the Salesian family who attended the celebration on this day. The buffet lunch was served for all the attendants on a family atmosphere. On this occasion, the sector of the Social Communications of Thailand arranged an exhibition on the history of the saint as well as compiled and published a short biography of Saint Brother Zati in Thai. A video clip of the interview of some Salesian brothers was also presented. They shared their thoughts and joy on the canonization, which encouraged the general public to know this new saint and to invite more vocations to Salesian brotherhood. The Salesian Mission Office Don Bosco Mission Bond has drawn a positive balance sheet for the year 2021. At 13.5 million euros, the result of donations in 2021 was 7 lakh euros higher than the previous year. A total of 273 projects in 53 countries were supported, amounting to 9.97 million euros. Last year was also marked by the pandemic. The war in Ukraine and famine in East Africa further aggravated the crisis. But despite these difficult times, we managed to fund most of Don Bosco's projects, explained Dr. Nelson Penedo, Director General of Don Bosco Mission Bond. The solidarity of our partners and supporters has been great. We are very grateful, he added. In recent years, emergency aid has been the main focus. So far, donations of 1 million euros have flowed into Ukraine and neighboring countries. The money has been used mainly to assist Ukrainian refugees, women and children. More information is available in the current annual report 2021-22, The Right to Dream. The Fundación Proyecto Salesiano Ecuador Zona Norte and the program Centro de Formación Artesanal Laboratories San Patricio School inaugurated a workshop in the electricity and automotive field. Moreover, an award was presented to the related engineering course of the Salesian Polytechnic University, Quito campus, for its support in the implementation of the latest technology tools and teaching modules for the teaching-learning processes of adolescents and youth in vulnerable situations. In attendance were Father Nuan Tapia, Director and Fundación Proyecto Salesiano Ecuador Zona Norte, El Sandro Gavillini, Administrator of San Bartolo, Yaneth Flores, Director of TESPA, Juan Francisco Yela from the Ministry of Labor, Nancy Bastidas, Technical Director of Salesian with the UPS Society, Angel Puaca, Director of the Automobile Engineering course, and Johnny Barrera, Professor at UPS. During the event, recognition plaques were presented to UPS and certificates were given to engineers Diego Lucero, Brian Tape, and Nicole Tutua for designing the tools for the lab, which aim to strengthen the technical training process so that students can perform diagnosis and maintenance of the electrical system of automobiles. So viewers, that is all we have here today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.